I'm going to show you how to use Codex in Visual Studio Code. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up Visual Studio Code, and then you want to click on the extensions from the left panel. Now you want to search for Codex, and then just install Codex OpenAI's extension here by clicking on the install button. Now, once it finishes installing, you should see the Codex icon section in your VS Code sidebar. And if it doesn't show up, you can simply close VS Code and then restart it again. And now you should see the ChatGPT logo right here, which is the Codex logo. If you click on it right here, it should open up the Codex window. Now, the first time when you're using it, it will ask you to sign into your ChatGPT account, which should have a subscription that includes the Codex or using the Codex app. And if it doesn't detect your account automatically, it will basically guide you through authentication flow, where VS Code will open up a browser tab where you can sign into your account. Otherwise, if you want to switch accounts, you can click on the settings icon here and then just click on logout and then just sign into your other ChatGPT account. And once you're signed in with an account that has access to Codex, you can simply start using Codex. Otherwise, it's going to be free, limited to free accounts. And then you can simply start using it with your project for generating code, refactoring, reviewing, and all of that stuff. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.